And then Lyndon Harris. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about his particular gift to our community, his bonus session. And I'm hoping he's going to record it so all of us can see it. I'm going to add you to our spotlight, Lyndon, so you can tell us about your session.
Okay. Wow. I just want to say thank you, Linda and Evelyn, for what you guys have pulled off yet another time, and for all of you who are on the team to make it happen. And for everyone who's here today, what a joy. I'm going to do a Dignilogue, a guided conversation about how forgiveness might play a role in restoring dignity in the world. So it'll be forgiveness, dignity, and conflict transformation. And it's going to be a separate Zoom link. Should I put that in the chat room?
Exactly. Thank you, Lyndon. Put it
Right.
in the chat.
Yeah.
So people who want to join you, that'd be great. Great. And I'm looking forward to seeing the video. I can't be there, but I love that you are offering this to us. What a gift to our entire community. Thank you for being with us, Lyndon. I remember that you reminded us that we need to become good ancestors, and I'm still working on that. So thank you for that.